Atlanta.
I just spent 4 months in A-Town.
You did? What were
Yeah.
you doing?
I was shooting a movie there.
Oh, well, you're shooting a lot of movies. You're
But
making
I was up in A-Town all day.
Uh-oh, what were you doing? Where
up
were
in
you?
now.
I was with Ben Stiller and Vince Vaughn. We had a great time.
Oh, no.
up in now.
Yeah.
That couldn't be good.
We had a lot of fun.
Oh,
up in
boy.
now.
You hit Buckhead?
They lived in Buckhead. I lived in Virginia Highlands.
Oh, wow.
That's the coolest name for a city.
Virginia
Buckhead?
Highlands? Oh,
Buckhead,
Buckhead.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
You're
Buckhead.
by you. Do you know how to cook?
Yeah, I know how to cook.
Uh-oh, stop
I can fry a
playing.
little chicken.
Okay.
Seriously.
Oh, you know about those spices too, though,
Oh,
right?
yeah.
You know, it's so funny. First of all, look at you guys in your uniforms. No one warned me, so I came here like, oh my God, that's hilarious.
That's funny.
This movie is so funny, and I didn't know what to expect when we went to see it, and it was like, okay, well, this is going to be interesting. I wonder how they're going to do this, and I think I laughed the entire time.
Yes.
Yes. And you're really funny,
Thank you.
and you are just,
Gorgeous.
well,
You're pretty.
Yeah, you are. You're
You're a
beautiful.
pretty little boy. Pretty little sexy
I'm the
little
prettiest
thing.
girl
you.
in school.
You know, it's so funny because both of you have been so busy. And I was in Hollywood last week, and I saw, like, you know,
She's dropped. She's like, oh, she's in
the one
Hollywood last
billboard.
week. Like,
I saw the one
it's like
billboard.
travel around a lot. I'm
Such a
spend time in
burden.
Hollywood.
Oh, whatever. But it's funny because I was looking at the billboard and I'm like, oh, there's that cute guy. He's got you know, this wonderful movie and it's like right in time for Valentine's Day. And then the billboard changes and it's like 21 Jump Street. And it's like, wow, you've been pretty active, huh?
Yeah, I've been grinding it for like the past year, but I had no intention of having 5 movies come out this year. Like The Vow was supposed to come out last year, but they wanted to wait till Valentine's Day, smartly, if I might add.
Yeah.
But yeah,
So you must be super busy.
very busy. Been a lot of press in the first quarter of this year, and I'm just waiting for a rest.
What do you love about your
Just
character?
counting box office receipts. He's
Yeah,
so
I
busy.
know. I know.
You know what I mean?
Who does
Doesn't
that?
have time. His wrists hurt because he's just like, I guess the Vow made another $100 billion
That's
today.
why I'm wearing these gloves.
Yeah.
I got carpal tunnel from all them receipts.
I mean, hey, producing.
Carpal tunnel.
I mean, that couldn't, you know, be a $5 job either. Yeah.
It
Yeah.
actually is exactly a $5 job.
Yeah, it is a $5 job.
We made exactly $5.
Yeah.
I would venture to say you guys are probably the most revered and busiest guys in Hollywood. I mean,
The most revered.
yes,
I don't know if that's true.
because they think you're fine
Busy.
and you're super
We
fine,
are
and
literally
you're fine
in
too.
dumb cop outfits right now. Look what we are wearing right now.
No, well, I would say that, you know, of course you started out modeling, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And so now it's like I get to see you on film and like rewind it all over again. How does that feel being a
I feel
sex
a
symbol
connection
to some?
between me and you.
Yeah.
I feel a little something happening.
Yeah, take your
Something-
glasses off,
something
you'll see what
happening
happens.
right
Yeah.
now? Oh, you don't want that, girl.
Right in the eyes.
You don't want that. It's gonna be on me and you.
How does
That
it feel
happens.
being a sex symbol in Hollywood?
I don't know. How does it feel being sexy to you? Huh? You're just giving it to me all day.
I could watch this go on for a long
Oh
time.
gosh. And you know, it's so funny because, you know, you look at like a new generation of you know, actors, but they're not just acting now. You're actually producing. You're writing and producing, and you just have the most amazing comedic timing. So,
Oh, thanks.
you know, when we think of like, you know, who's next, Superbad, all of these films, what was the film that you think introduced you to the world and your brand?
I don't think I have a brand. I think I'm proud to kind of do lots of different things. You know, I think Superbad was one introduction, and Moneyball was probably another introduction. you know?
Amazing.
So I don't know. And this movie is just another really fun movie. I don't know. I don't really think too heavily about that kind of stuff. I just want to be an old man one day with a lot of kids and grandkids and have a bunch of DVDs and say, or whatever space age
Yeah.
format movies are presented to people on, and say, like, here's what I spent my life doing. Some of these are pretty cool.
I think it's
Some
going
of
to be
them
like the Jetsons, like roll this film,
Yeah.
21 Jump Street.
I'll be like, here, look at this movie. Beep, and like my hand will play the movie.
That is actually going to be kind of fun. I can see that doing that, yeah. So what do you think, what do you love about 21 Jump Street?
It's just a big party, man. Women having
Yeah.
fun on the press, but had fun doing it. I mean, it's just a big old party.
A big old,
It's a movie that I'll watch. I'd never watch myself, like after the movie comes out or whatever.
Yeah.
Or don't watch the movie. It's a movie I guarantee, like whenever it's on TV, I'll watch it. It's so fun and funny, and it's got big action, and it's just hilarious. I'm really proud of it. Yeah.
well, I had a ball watching it, and thank you guys for talking to our listeners, our viewers.
Thank you. What's up, A-Town?
Yeah.
Hot
I
Atlanta.
miss you. I do.
Oh, stop.
Jeezy, I gotta give that to my boy Jeezy.